Hi. So this is the mini drill GFF setup we're using today. Looks compact for a repair tool.
That's the point. Compact body, full-size precision. It's built for fin-fan coolers, where alignment and accuracy are everything. Look here, sometimes the plugs are welded in because they were leaking. This is the fastest repair method, but it's a really weak fix and should be used in emergency situations only.
So first step is weld removal.
Exactly. The cutting head follows the plug contour and removes the seal weld in one clean pass.
And what about explosive zones? Can we use it in EX areas? Or just if we have not compressed air?
Yes, there's a fully battery-powered version for that. Same torque, same precision.
That's smart. No risk from the sparks.
Exactly. Safety and performance even in explosive zones.
And that's why you weld the nut on top. To unscrew it?
Yes, you torque it off like a regular fastener, not a stuck plug.
I see the plug backing out smoothly. Then that's satisfying.
Yes, we can remove plug easily and safe for the cooler.
Now the machine's got a drilling head.
Correct. We remove the old thread and bring the bore to the exact oversize required. Cobalt inserts, stable feed, pure concentricity.
Switching to beveling already?
Yes, still on the same base. The beveling head forms the lead-in for the new thread. Clean geometry, no burrs, no miscut.
And again, if we're working in an EX zone?
Still the same. You can use the battery-driven setup. It's built for safe operation even in potentially explosive atmospheres.
So zero compromises even under safety restrictions.
Exactly. That's how we design all KRAIS tools.
Now you're tapping. I noticed that ratchet arm.
That's our feed control. It keeps the tap perfectly scared to the tube sheet and gives constant pressure. The thread is cut cold, straight, and smooth.
And
You end up with a perfect thread. Right-angled do plug sheet that's ready for sealing immediately.
so mini drill's job is done. Next up, Mini Mill 300 GFF.
Exactly. Same clamping. Different function. It remachines the gasket seat to match the new plug size. Surface finish within 0.05 millimeters.
That finish almost looks polished.
It is. That's how we guarantee sealing without extra paste or shims.
And finally, the new gasket and plug go in.
Yes. Oversized plug, new gasket, torque-controlled installation. Full mechanical seal, tested to high pressure, ready for service.
No hydraulic pumps, no guesswork.
Only precision torque. Repeatable, reliable, safe.
Hard to believe that whole repair took less than 20 minutes on site.
That's what these tools are made for. Fast recovery, zero rework.
Mini Drill GFF and Mini Mill 300 GFF. That's a solid combo.
And if you've got several plugs to repair, the battery-powered mini drill GFF is perfect for the job. That's KRAIS engineering. Precision and reliability. Anywhere you need it.